Let's learn how to make this text effect in 1 minute. Select your text in the Essential Graphics panel. Change the fill from color to linear gradient, and set the same color at the start and end of the slider. Add a new color stop in the middle and use a dark or bright color. Set the stroke to 8, and copy the same values to the shadow on your text. Look for the mosaic effect in the Effect panel and apply it to your text clip. Check the box for sharp colors and set keyframes for both horizontal and vertical with a value of 1 at the start. Hold Shift plus right arrow twice to jump 10 frames, then change the value to 50. Do it again to jump 15 frames and set the value to 4000. Look for the transform effect and drag it to the clip. Keyframe the scaling to 0 at the start and move 5 frames forward. Change the value to 130%, then move 3 frames and change the value to 90%. Select the first 2 keyframes and apply ease out and ease in, then drag the handle of the second keyframe to the left. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and tricks.